Today's design and construction projects require disparate teams to collaborate closely so they can complete projects on time and on budget. But with distinct teams come data silos and disconnected communication. Autodesk BIM 360 removes these barriers with a single platform that connects design and construction processes and project teams in one place. BIM 360 Build supports construction execution and project management workflows by combining mobile technology on the job site with cloud-based collaboration and reporting to minimize risk and reduce work. With BIM 360 Build, teams can improve quality control and diminish rework with easy-to-use customizable templates and checklists, reduce safety risks with streamlined inspections and auditable procedures, create, assign and manage issues, RFIs and submittals from any device anywhere, and track field performance and progress with daily reports and analytics to view project trends and easily identify problem areas. With BIM 360 Build, turn job site data into powerful information to help you minimize risk. BIM 360 Build is a part of Autodesk BIM 360, the only cloud platform that connects design and construction teams, processes and data to inform decision making, improve outcomes and accelerate project delivery. Experience the power of a connected project. Try BIM 360 today.